Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll be reviewing my new big Yako 9-inch LED headlights for my 2021 Jeep Gladiator. So let me show you what they look like on the Jeep. This is them fully installed. The full install probably took about 20 minutes to do. There you go, you got the headlight on. It has a projector style headlight, so it won't be blinding people. Fully adjustable from the back side. Let me turn the Jeep on and show you what the daytime running light looks like. There you go, that's the daytime running light. It's got a nice X pattern, and in the middle lights there. Let me show you the low beam and the high beam. There's the low beam. And you see how low I have to go. I have it set down pretty low so I'm not blinding people. And this is what the high beams look like. Overall, it's a great product. I haven't had any issues. If you do have a Sport or anything less than what it came with the LED headlight, you will need to get like a JL Taser Mini, not the light, and you have to reprogram it to work with the LEDs. If not, they do have adapters that come with it to get rid of any codes or anything. So they really do everything they can to make it work for you, and a good customer service. So I highly recommend this product. Thank you.